This right here is a piece of history. It hasn't moved in over 50 years. Today,
every single bolt fights you. I'm using penetrating oil here to soak these threads.
I'm using plastic gauge to check the clearance. We need a gap of exactly 0.015 inches for proper.
The secret to the engine's power lies right here, the valves. This Model A engine uses a flathead design, meaning
Now for the heart of the beast, the Ford flathead 4-cylinder. I've bored the cylinders and now I'm installing the new pistons. You have to be incredibly gentle here.
Before installing the pistons, checking the ring gap is crucial. It's such a satisfying feeling when the piston slides into the cylinder like butter.
Finally, on goes the copper head gasket, followed by the cylinder head. People think painting is just about holding a spray gun. It's not. 90% of a great paint job happens right here.
We are blasting away decades of corrosion. Look at that transformation, from rusty junk to clean steel in seconds.
Chemistry matters here. I'm mixing the Washington blue base coat with a reducer tailored for today's temperature. This is the base coat application. The trick is consistency. I need to keep the gun exactly 6 inches away from the panel at all times.
The key to a glass-like finish is consistent pressure and overlap. Watch how the clear coat brings out the depth. It looks like a mirror. The painting is done, but the show car finish happens now.
We aren't just making it shiny, we are creating depth. When you look into this green paint, it shouldn't look like a surface, it should look like a deep pool of water.
The front grille has been re-chromed to a mirror finish. We stuck with the classic black wire wheels to keep that authentic rugged look, wrapped in fresh rubber.
Step inside.
This isn't just a Model A anymore, it's a legacy. Thanks for watching the build. Now, if you'll excuse me, it's time to drive.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next restoration. And if you want to see exactly how we got this paint finish so perfect, click this video right here.
Thanks for watching.